Andrew, and I'm a rising senior at Monte Vista High School, and my project is a hand crank USB charger. So what it does is it converts mechanical energy generated using your hand to electrical energy, which can be used to charge your phone. So it is achieved using a 12 volt motor, and it generates around 10 to 14 volts depending on how fast you spin it. And this voltage is stepped down using a step down transformer, and the output's around 5 volts, which can be used to charge your phone. So in the circuit, first there's the motor, which is the power supply, and this is attached to a diode, which allows the current to only pass in one direction. So if you spin the motor the opposite direction, the opposite current won't be able to pass through. And next there's the inductor and the capacitor. The inductor stores energy to maintain a constant current, and then there's the capacitor, which also stores energy but maintains a constant voltage. And next there's a step-down transformer and the potentiometer. So the step-down transformer takes the input voltage from the motor and it converts it to a lower voltage, which can be used by your phone. And this can be adjusted using the potentiometer, which allows you to adjust the resistance of the circuit. So the output, in this case the output voltage is no more than 5 volts, so it doesn't fry your phone. This is connected to a USB connector, which you plug in your phone to, and you can charge it. So some of the problems that I encountered while building this project was, first, there were problems with the motor. When I was soldering it, the motor got too hot and it messed up the internal soldering inside the motor. So after fixing that, there were more problems. The circuit board, I think I fried 2 of them due to an unknown problem at the time, and the problem was with the USB connector. When I soldered the wire to the USB connector, some strands of the positive wire was touching the ground of the USB connector, and after fixing that, there was problems generating constant voltage with the wheel. So that will be what I'll be focusing on next. And through my problems, I learned how to troubleshoot. Instead of focusing the problem as a whole, I looked at each part of the circuit to find out if it was working or not. And yeah, so here's a demonstration of my project.